Guess I should turn the heater on. It's cold in the shop. So in the world of Fusion,
In the realm of cabinet design within Fusion 360, precision is not optional. It is absolute. Let all who seek order know this truth. Comprehensive cut lists, correct part orientation, accurate material quantities, and true cost calculation are the foundation upon which reliable cabinetry is built.
do you ever hear voices? Sometimes the voices in your head aren't wrong. But seriously, that's exactly what these new updates in my cabinet optimizer and in my Fusion 360 add-in are about. Making your cabinet workflow more comprehensive, accurate, and reliable. A little refresher here in Fusion 360. Here you can see my extensive cabinet library, which is available on my website. Now the Fusion add-in or add-on can work either here at the single cabinet level, or it'll work in a file with multiple cabinets. Another improvement is that now you can turn them off at the group level, and that will keep them from exporting. Previously, you had to turn off visibility at the part level to keep it from exporting. That's no longer the case. At the bottom of the Create menu is where we open up the app. And within the app, just like before, you can export it either in millimeters or inches. You can choose the directory you want to export to. Give it a file name. And then the newest thing is now it keeps the history for the last 3 directories, and you can export right to that. Then we export to a CSV. That file contains part names, the dimensions, the cabinet ID, everything needed to generate the comprehensive cut list and accurate cost data in the optimizer. If the bodies are left with generic names that don't match up with the optimizer, you're still going to get a list, but the results won't be useful and they're not reliable. Meaningful body names are what allows the optimizer to create cut lists, materials, quantities, and cost breakdowns. So if you download the optimizer, you're going to get a spreadsheet that has a list of all the body names, and that makes it more accurate and reliable. One of the more important fixes within the add-on was part orientation. Previously, the add-in for Fusion just assumed that the longest part was always the length. But that wasn't always true, especially if it was a door face or a drawer face. So now that logic has been fixed. Each part is identified where it's located on the y-axis, the z-axis, and on the x-axis. Correct orientation is going to be the foundation for accurate nesting on sheet goods in future updates. And once you import the CSV into the cabinet optimizer, the program generates comprehensive cut lists, accurate material quantities, and some cost estimates. And another upgrade that I did is right here in the cost configuration, we added doors. So now when you export this to either a CSV or a PDF, you can use this list in your shop, or you can send it to your vendor to make your doors and drawers. I want to be clear, the optimizer and the add-in for Fusion are free. The only thing it's going to cost you is an email address, and I'm not going to hound you with marketing emails. I just use the email for updates to the programs and any videos that I might have coming up regarding Fusion. Here's why comments matter. So one of my viewers asked if the optimizer could switch between inches and millimeters, and I just turned that feedback into a feature. So now you can change from inches to millimeters, millimeters to inches. So even though I don't have a CNC anymore, but that's coming up, I still use Fusion 360 to design all my cabinets. It gives me cut lists, material quantities, and even some kind of cost breakdown. So the workflow works with or without a CNC. My workflow is I design in Fusion, I use my add-in and put it into the optimizer, create the lists, send that to a PDF or a CSV, and I'm off to the workshop. So if you want a more accurate cut list and a good Fusion 360 workflow, download the optimizer from my website. It's free and it's linked below. So leave a comment. That always leads to improvement. Subscribe, give a like, and we'll see you on the next video.